You see the letter up there, so daddy? With the rent increase?
I left this place, man. It's a place and a good place.
What do you mean? So where you left and go?
I work at Jamaica.
Oh, you're lucky. You wanna go down there, no me and you. So, Joe, guess what? We're gonna have to take back all the Christmas presents to the store.
Why?
Yeah, we don't have any money.
Hey, Christmas.
So where you dash your pizza for? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching us, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my rent increase letter that we recently received in the mail, guys. So we got a letter and it's pretty much explaining that our rent is going up April 1st, 2024. So as I told my husband before, okay, he's not happy with this letter. But the thing is, the rent go up every year. There's nothing you can do about it. It's the government who have to help us. We can't help ourselves, right? So, you know, the rent is going up by $58. Yeah, or 3.60%, something like that. The letter say. Um, it's not going in effect until April 1st. I guess because that's around the time when I moved into this apartment or so. So yeah. So we were paying like 1630 something a month. And with the 58 now, it gone up to 1692. Let me look for something now and tell no lie now, people. 1692 and 30 cents. So pretty much $1,700 for a 2-bedroom. Yeah, that's just expensive. When I told my husband that the rent increase, blah blah blah, he said they must put on one room or something. He's like, did they add a room or something to the apartment? Because I don't understand. So he's not happy with it. But as I said, welcome to Canada. There is nothing we can do about it. You know, right now my eyes are burning because I was falling asleep and Mickey came and woke me up, and I'm working tonight, right? So I better try to get a nap to go to work tonight, because coming next year is more money for the rent, right? Everything I go up. More money for grocery, more money for your rent. Your bills are, increasing. Everything is increasing. So I don't know. And the only thing when I increase is your paycheck. Continue last I get raised. So, and even if you get raised, it's not much. It's cent. What cent I go do when the rent I go up $58? We need some dollar rent, some dollars, pan the raise, pan some dollar raise. The cent raise not gonna work. We need some dollar raise, cause like when time your bill them are increased by so much percentage. Me personally, I don't even know how all this work or whatever. Just I live in the people them country, okay? And we just have then, so when you're in Rome, do as the Romans do. So we just have to abide by the law and everything. Because one thing with Canada, dear, and like Jamaica, when they can tell your landlord say next week, when you're in due the first of every month, if you don't pay it, they must send a letter to you, eviction notice. You have 2 weeks, or you have a week, or you have until this date to pay rent, or you have to move out, and all these kind of, animosity that is. Listen to me. I don't think I ever want to experience eviction. No, it's not nice. No, so yeah. So that's it for the 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 rent. You know, I was thinking of writing my New Year's resolution list for 2024, and ending the year on that 1 year, and I'm telling you, this year was kind of a rough year for me. I spent out a lot of money and a lot of unnecessary money too because I went to Toronto a few times back and forth, and bam, me don't know how come, but me take the 407 the fourth time that I went there. Then send me one some tour ticket in the mail for 200 and something, $240. Me say me so shocked. I was like, then Jesus, the, me don't know, me need to change up my GPS now. Me for me need the back route because me in no rush we got turn to and come back. Me okay if you take the back road. Me okay if you go through the bush. Yes, at Jamaica me come from. Me okay with the bush. Me fine with the bush. Me no business about highway. All of them me come from. We don't have highway down there unless they have it now. Me no know. Since 2018, me not go back. So me not know. And guys, even if we were supposed to move and find somewhere else, we're not gonna find. We need like a 3 bedroom. We're not going to find anything cheaper than 1850. The lowest for 3 bedroom. Cause 3 bedroom mostly me find say mostly is 2000 2200 2500 going up, right? So it's just like what to do. I don't know, right? This is why so many people are in the shelter. This is why so many people are losing their homes. Me not talk about rent apartment. Me talk about people who buy them house. And I heard this one story where the guy have him house when them what do you call it, re-sign back with the bank, every 4 or 5 years, something like that, them look back over whatever something. Me not have also, me not really know the full details. The guy said when him re-signed the percentage was so much they couldn't afford the mortgage, so they were forced to sell their house. Is then the kind of something there happening? You understand? And that's kind of sad because people work so hard, and the guy said he did so much renovation because this was his dream house for him and his wife and his kids, right? And then end up having to sell them house because, you know, they they couldn't afford the mortgage after the bank look over back them something they after 5 years the interest rate was so much, right? So me they here with family current problem, and people out there with them bigger problem like them mortgage problem and them something they Lord, me say every level in a life have its own stress. I'm telling you, every level. You see the letter up there, so daddy, with the rent increase.
I left this place, man. It's a place and a good place.
What do you mean? So where you left and go?
You work at Jamaica?
Oh, you're lucky. You wanna go down there, no me and you.
I'm going to come back then, sir.
Oh.
That's the only sheet, 14
You can't get a shelter to live in. You know?
Yes, you take away all your money.
So, Joe, guess what? We're gonna have to take back all the Christmas presents to the store.
What's it for?
Yeah, we don't have any money.
What's it going to do what?
We need to pay our rent, or else we won't have any home.
No, I want to play.
You want present?
Yeah, me.
No, we have to take them back.
No. There.
Oh, yeah. You have to take them back and sell them and get the money and pay the rent.
Yeah, tomorrow.
So what you guys think?
No.
So-
I hate Christmas.
You hate Christmas?
Me too.
So you're gonna live outside then?
No.
You won't have any home then. So it's home or Christmas present. Which one?
But I will say,
Christmas.
So no home? You don't want you want your bed to be in the snow?
No, I want to stay home. I want. So you have to pick no presents.
Yeah.
No, I want to pick both.
You can't have both. You have to pick one.
No, just pick no presents, though, because I don't want to live outside.
Yeah.
Just pick no Christmas presents, please. No, I know. Mommy can get us new Christmas presents.
Yeah. So all these presents that I wrapped, we have to bring them back.
Do we have to tear the paper off?
Don't worry about the paper. You just want to sew in the box.
Hey, Christmas.
So yeah, that's where your pizza for.
Well,
Eh?
I'm going to do fair. No Christmas presents for us.
Yeah, well, it's Christmas present or home.
Mommy, home. Cake.
Yeah. Mickey, Christmas present or home?
Christmas present.
Okay. Jaden, Christmas present or home?
Home.
Okay, so that's what it is. Mickey, you gonna plug light in?
Mickey. Oh, man. Mickey, then you can't live. You can't live. You're gonna die.
Yeah, you're gonna freeze in the cold, Mickey.
Oh man. No, this is a terrible Christmas.
Well,
You got you back. I have a terrible life of Christmas. Now we have to return all the presents.
yep.
Oh. I'm going to piggy bank and buy my own stuff.
Mickey, what are you doing? Hmm? Go to bed, Mickey.
Bum bum bum.
Come on, baby. Go away.
Thanks for watching. Bye.